Thanks for clicking on my video. I thought this bike build would have been done by now. But with the process of mail order, shipping, and handling, it's taken way longer than expected. Some parts have arrived, some parts I'm still waiting on, and some parts haven't even left for shipment yet. Making YouTube videos isn't easy at all. Currently I'm using my cell phone camera because it's the only camera that I have. So I would definitely like to say I appreciate certain people for the content that I watch frequently, which is Burn Pete, which is formerly Self Bike Hacks, Biking with Bobo. That dude is hilariously funny. Vangirl Yuka, she's exciting, she's a little daredevil, and her voice is the icing on the cake. Wolf Tick Videos. Now if you're familiar with American Chopper, these guys are the Paul Tuttle Jr. and Sr. of the mountain biking YouTube world right now. So with all that said, let's bang this joint out real quick. So tonight we're going to put on RockShox Recon 27.5 boost, 140 millimeter. Originate Rave 2 riser handlebars. I'm going to cut them down to 780 millimeter. Originate throwdown stem, 35 millimeter. FSA IS4252 headset. Carbon fiber headset spacers. Originate sticker locking grips. Originate grit guard C-post clamp, 34.9 millimeter. SRAM SX Eagle 12-speed shifter. SRAM SX Eagle 12-speed red derailleur. Originate Twister headset top cover, 15 millimeter. Toe peak tri-cage water bottle holder with tire levers. Shifter cable and housing. So we're greasing up the headset tube, top and bottom. Don't be scared to use ankle grease. That'll block out all the dirt and grime. Top of the crown race is greased. Now let's grab the bottom burn. Top burn. More grease. Cap it on the top burn. Now we grab the top headset cover. One 10mm spacer. Stem. Top cap and bolt. Very simple installation. Just for now, tighten it up. Everything will be torqued when I do my final inspection. Now let's get ready for these handlebars. Now I'm going to go ahead and grease up the inside of the stem already. Now I can grab my Originate handlebars, Rave 2s. Now they come at 800 millimeters, but they do have to be cut down to 780 millimeters. And the handlebars do have the length on them. Now, have to do the same thing to the other side. And tighten stem bolts that will be torqued later on. One note to add when you're tightening your stem bolts, try to get the spacing in the top and bottom as equal as possible. You don't want one completely closed and the other one with a larger gap. You want the gap in between to be the same distance or as close as possible. At this point, we can start to install the shifter. And just hand tighten. Now I can put on the originate grips. Now I'm going to put on the SX Eagle Red Derailleur. Now it's starting to look like a bike. Now I'm going to install the Originate Grip Guard C-clamp. This is what I got completed for tonight. Thank y'all for watching. See y'all next video. Like, comment, subscribe.